are in downtown Gary, Indiana. This is driving down the street. I'm gonna look at some ruins, post office, and off to New Buffalo. Yeah, we are the deserted part of the road here. There's a sign here that says, "Warning, no semi-trucks beyond this point. Stop, turn around." And look at this abandoned whatever it is, full of graffiti all over the place. Look at this cool one here. You can see that. And here is Gary Union Station. We're gonna explore this thing. Here's more mural. Here's my car. There's that road again. This is a closer view of that mural. And here's a sign showing you the Gary Union Station. So I'm going to pan out and look at the side view of the Union Station itself. There's some kind of tribute here. There's a big, well, if you look up here you can see the roof. And there's a posted no trespassing sign. There's some train up there. Everything's enclosed, you can't really get in here. See that sign? So I'm gonna pan out here. Here's the front. I mean, I'm all the way in the back. Up there's the front. Okay, I walked all the way over here. I reached this part. This thing is pretty long, so I'm gonna keep walking. Here, it's the inside of the building. Pretty dangerous to be in here, I bet. I'm not going to step far in here because I'm afraid I might fall in. Look at that. Look at that roof. Years of this deterioration. This was operable in the turn of the century until like the 50s, then they closed it. But look at that. Isn't that amazing? Here's the back of the building. There's the railroad tracks. brick is still, I mean the stone structure is still standing. All the wooden parts falling apart. My car. Look at that. Signing off. Here's the back of the building. I mean the front. Sorry, the front of the building. But there's a patio here. I mean, people would stand there and look for other people. Are you bored or go on a train? I don't know. So this is my first attempt to a video like this. I've never done this before. Usually I don't talk. But I want to post this on YouTube. Check out this. This would be a storefront. Who knows what business was in here? Probably like a food, candy store, small liquor store. We look inside. There's potato chips. There's like things all over the place. So this definitely was a place serving food. Here's the Union Station train station at the faced at the front, and yeah, we're gonna head off to the church now.